Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we will explore Advanced Micro Devices in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of April, 2025, our system has classified Advanced Micro Devices as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.52. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock faced a decline of 2.75%. This results in an average daily loss of 0.34% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decreases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 21% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decrease of 32% to a decrease of 3%. In terms of the longer outlook, our analysis over a 12-month period indicates a projected change of around -34%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance may vary between a decline of 42% and a slight increase of 2% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $49.42 and $87.99. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Advanced Micro Devices stock price up 0.82% on Tuesday. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price gained 0.82% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, rising from $85.56 to $86.26. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.35% with a day low at $85.17 and a day high of $87.17. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, and there has been a 3.13% gain over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 428,000 more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 33 million shares changed hands for approximately $2.89 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $187.28, and the lowest price was $76.48. Currently, the price is 53.94%, or $101.02, below the 52-week high, and 62.05%, or $141.04, below the all-time high on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, is currently facing significant challenges that could weigh on its stock price in both the near and long term. Analysts from Bernstein Research indicate that AMD has already struggled to compete in the artificial intelligence market, and now new export controls have further complicated matters by preventing the sale of its AI accelerators in China. This market is crucial at this moment, as AI technologies become more integrated into various industries. On a more positive note, AMD is performing well in the desktop processor market, particularly with the Ryzen 9000 series, which has captured a strong 70% market share. Strong growth is expected in the company's EPYC and Ryzen segments, supporting a forecasted revenue growth of 25% for the fiscal year 2025. However, looming risks include a potential 10% reduction in earnings per share, primarily driven by an anticipated $800 million inventory charge due to unapproved export licenses, along with upcoming semiconductor tariffs that could affect AMD's supply chain. The combination of these factors suggests a volatile outlook for AMD's stock. While short-term issues, particularly concerning AI and export controls, could lead to immediate downward pressure, the long-term trajectory heavily depends on the company's ability to innovate and capitalize on the growing demand for high-performance computing. Investors will need to carefully weigh the risks against AMD's strong presence in the processor market when assessing its potential. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned AMD a buy rating along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup also assigned AMD a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies gave AMD a hold rating with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a neutral rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler gave AMD an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Advanced Micro Devices stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025. And so far, it has risen approximately 10.29%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The Advanced Micro Devices stock is receiving sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $90.11 and $98.22. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 119 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 113 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices finds support from accumulated volume at $85.76. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock experiences significant fluctuations throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2 between its high and low, representing a 2.35% change. In the past week, the stock's average daily volatility has been 3.30%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 93 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Advanced Micro Devices is at $88.29. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Advanced Micro Devices faces its first support level at $85.76. If this support level holds, it may serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Advanced Micro Devices from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Papermaster Mark D, who bought and sold 70,000 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 16.128. In total, insiders purchased 993,364 shares and sold 1,414,783 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices presents several negative signals and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, we predict that Advanced Micro Devices will open lower by 6 cents, starting at $86.20. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.